Hi there, welcome to Rapid Pharma. In this video, we're going to learn about scope of pharmacognosy. Pharmacognosy is a branch of science which is concerned with medicinal substances from natural source. It has played a crucial role in various disciplines of sciences. It forms links between pharmacology and medicinal chemistry, which results in discovery of new medicinal plants with purified phytochemicals, not in clinical preparations. Pharmacognosy also links between traditional and modern system of medicine. Crude drugs and their therapeutic chemical constituents are core subject matter in pharmacognosy, which are used not only in treatment of diseases but also in cosmetics, textile, and food industries. In the first half of 19th century, doctors usually stocked crude drugs for getting their extracts, tinctures, mixtures, which were used to make medicinal drops, syrups, infusions, ointments, and liniments. After the success of chemists in getting extracts of active constituents, plant crude drug got high object of interest. So crude drugs which were used previously replaced by their extracts and gradually by synthetic and semi-synthetic drugs. This resulted in belief that crude drugs are of no importance and can be replaced by synthetic drugs, which was a wrong idea. So, a century ago, due to this belief, crude drugs lost its status. But today it is rising to its rightful place in medicine. Researchers are focusing on both terrestrial and marine flora and fauna. Crude drugs and their products are commercially and economically profitable. They yield less but prices are very high and have significant importance in trade. Now people know about the side effects and potency of synthetic drugs, so they have interest to plant-based remedies. Enormous medicinal plants compounds are better than synthetic drugs in fighting complex diseases like cancer and AIDS. Mother Earth has provided us vast natural resources of flora and fauna in terrestrial and marine. Further generations of phytochemists will explore the wonder molecules from unexplored wealth. Scope of pharmacognosy can be summarized in the following 6 steps. Pharmacognosy classify drugs for their identification, gives knowledge of poisonous plants so that they can be used, provide allergens and anti-allergic preparations, gives knowledge of cultivation, drying, storage, preservation, packaging, evaluation, adulteration of crude drug, tells about plant growth regulators for their rapid growth, gives knowledge of enzymes to treat enzyme deficiency diseases. Good day, see you soon. Please subscribe.